Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another set of bead bracelets this time. Stay tuned for what I'm going to be showing y'all. I have this, I don't know what kind of charm this is, but it looks like a baby rattle charm. I don't know. This one. Elbow charm with a diamond on it. Then you have another elbow charm or a bow charm. So stay tuned with what I'm gonna be showing y'all. So I'm gonna be doing this one first, the bow charm with these clear looking beads. Let's see how it come out, because I see it with it, like I see it. What I got going on here, I see it with it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting the charm, the dividers on first, or should I say, well, these things on first. I'm gonna put 3 on each side of it on the charm thing. And see how that come out on it. I had to do it over because these little things, divider things, was going through my junk ring, so I had to do it over. But I'm about to show you what I got in a minute when I come back, because my storage on my phone once again. Is it right? So I'm gonna come back and show y'all what I got before I tie it up and all that good stuff. Be back. This is what I came up with. So what I'm about to do is tie it, bring it down a little bit more, because I don't want to waste none of my string. Tie it 3 times. And cut it and bring it down and through the knot. But this is what I have for that. This is what I came up with for this bracelet. Think that's cute. Basically, the stuff that I do isn't really ugly. It's not ugly to me, but I like that though. On to the next one. I'm gonna do something and come back, show you what I did. So stay tuned. Okay, this is the other one. Let me turn it around so you can see it. I'm halfway done with it. I'm gonna do some while I'm on camera, so I don't want to leave y'all out. Yep. So today, the black beaded set left me today, and I was a little sad about it, but yeah, you know, it left me. They left me. But I'm think I'm gonna make a male one. to go with it. I don't know yet. And probably, or either a baby size one to go with it. I don't know. Whatever God has put in my head to do, I'm going to do it. So yeah. And I'm going to see how much. Because when I do this, I'm going to size it up with this to see. I think I'm going to need to put more beads on here. Probably like one more in a spacer. And I'll be back to show you what it look like. Alright, here go the other one. Cute. Very cute. I need to focus. Yeah. I like that one too. And this is the last one I'm doing on here. So, about to see what style I want to do that in. And I'll be back to show y'all half. And then show y'all the rest like I did with the other ones. I am right now. But this is, I'm halfway done with it. But this is what I have for that. For the set. And I'm about done with it. So I'm going to come back and show you all three that I. So now I'm going to tie it up. I'm going to untie it because it got too much string. And like I said before, I'm not wasting no string. I don't know how many ties that was, but pull it through that hole. Oh, you broke my torch. There you go. This is so cute. Yes, it is. It's very cute. So this is what it's looking like. So what I'm going to do is make sure they right so I can put this on there. Put it up in here. And put it back in these bags right here. That I have. And voila. And sorry if the quality is bad on at the end because my phone ran out of storage and I'm using my daughter's phone. But make sure you like, share, subscribe. And this video might be a little shorter than the others because of my storage on my phone. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Have a nice day. Bye.